Now, JoJo, let's do a thumbnail. You ready?
Okay.
Let's do it. Now, welcome back to the channel, all my haulers and ballers. And today we got a great video for you. Ain't that right, JoJo?
Yeah, today you're going to roll along with us. We've got some jobs, and we're going to talk about the pros and cons of owning your own junk removal business.
So make sure you smash that like button and let's get this money. So we're at the first job of the day. And JoJo, it was supposed to be some easy money today, but guess what? We got a full house clean out. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, junk removal will be like that. You'll think you'll have an easy day, and then all of a sudden you're hit with a much larger job. Now, that could be a con if you had other things planned, but it could be a definite pro if you're wanting to make more money.
Oh, definitely. So you guys want to see the job? You ready?
Yeah.
Let's show them the job. So here's the job. Here's the scenario. The customer said there wasn't much stuff, and we pulled up, and JoJo, is there not a lot of stuff here?
I would say this is a full house clean out, and this customer found us on Nextdoor.
A lot of people see a pile of trash. I see a pile of cash, and everything in these cabinets need to go. There's stuff everywhere, JoJo. This is a good paying job.
Yep, actually everything you see is going to go.
And there's more stuff in the backyard. We got a sleeper couch right there. We got some mattresses that need to go in the room. This is really a great job to start first thing in the morning, JoJo. Now, if you guys want to know how much cash we made, make sure you watch the video to the very end and smash that like button. Now the first load is done, and let's talk a little bit of trash with me and the JoJo. Let's talk about some pros in the trash business. And the first one is anyone can start this business. You can be fresh out of prison, sleeping on your mom's couch. You can have no high school diploma and start this business.
You can, and because it's so easy to start this business, the con is you're going to have a lot of other haulers in your area. You're going to have a lot of competition, so get yourself ready for that.
Yeah, there's so much competition, but you just got to outshine your competition and don't worry about what they're doing. Focus on yourself. Don't worry about the haulers that are doing it for $400 a load. We got 1-800-GOT-JUNK that's charging $8.99 a load. So get your money, get your hustle on, and don't worry about anyone else but yourself. Focus on yourself and have a great foundation built. And that's what we did when we first started.
Yeah, that's great advice.
So we're heading to the landfill right now. And JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
I'm going to say, 98.
98? Ooh, I'm going to say $79.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. So guess who won? I did. It was $70. And JoJo, what's something you want to do with mattresses?
You want to look around and search and find a place where you can maybe drop the mattresses off for free, because some places do take them for free.
We got a place out here Monday through Thursday. You can drop them off for free. I'm not sure what they do with them. I think they keep the springs.
Yeah, I'm not sure what they do with them either, but they do something with them.
It's better than paying $30-something per mattress, so we're heading back to the job. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's head on out.
So we are back for round 2.
Now, just like that, job is complete. And JoJo, we made a killing on that one, didn't we?
That was a good job.
Now, let's talk more about some pros and cons. And here's a pro. You can make as much money a day as you want. You can get out there and hustle hard and work your ass off and make a couple grand, or you can work a couple hours and make $200 to $300 a day. I actually know a guy that turns his phone off after he makes a certain amount of money. He might make 15 or 20 grand, whatever it is. Then the rest of the month, he turns his phone off. Living the life, JoJo, for real, huh?
Yeah, that is definitely a pro in this business, is you could make a lot of money. The con would be, you know, you're making a lot of money, but you're going to have to pay your own taxes, and you're going to have to find your own health insurance, and, you know, take care of your retirement. So you start putting money into an IRA. So those are the cons. When you work for yourself, those are the things that you're responsible for.
Now, let me ask you a question, JoJo. What's your prediction of the dump fee on this one back here?
Oh, I'm going to say 64.
64, I'm gonna say $95.
Okay.
And I'll be turning my phone off for a few days because I'll be on the houseboat, relaxing with my buddy, fishing for stripers, JoJo, living that life. So we're heading to the landfill. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's roll. So look who won. It was $80.50. That's twice today I whooped your ass.
You did.
It feels damn good whooping the JoJo. You guys already know that. Now she's making dinner for the rest of the month. Lobster, steak, crab, Philly cheesesteaks. Oh yeah, I can't wait. What you making tonight?
Grilled cheese sandwich.
Whatever.
Next job of the day, and this person seen our vehicle and took a picture of it and gave us a call. So that's our next job of the day.
So here's the next job of the day, and it's some easy money, JoJo. Check it out. A lot of cardboard, and yeah, we can pull right up to it. You ready?
Yeah, these are my favorite.
Let's do it. Now, just like that, job is complete. And JoJo, do you know what you call that back there? All those boxes and stuff?
What do you call it?
That's called an Amazon and an eBay addiction. That's bad, huh?
Yeah, it is.
We got about 12 customers that call us once a month, and they have the same addiction.
Yeah, they do. And we take away a lot of boxes.
Now, let's talk about some more pros and cons. Another pro is your schedule is flexible. You ain't got to wait for a schedule to come out. When you work a 9-to-5 job, you get to do what you want to do whenever you want to do it. And that's the blessing right there.
That is one of the best things about owning your own business.
The freedom.
Yeah. But the con is sometimes you go a lot of days without your phone ringing because your phone ringing depends on you.
And that can really stress you out. So you got to get on your hustle and grind. And really, the more you put out, the more you hustle, the more money you'll get.
Yeah, this is definitely one of those businesses where the more work you put into it, the more you'll get out of it.
You can't sit on the couch and wonder why your phone ain't ringing. You really got to get out there and advertise and network and get your name out there.
Yep.
So we're heading to the next job, and it's some illegal dumping. So you ready to go over there or what?
Yeah, it's a long day.
It's a long day, so we're heading there right now. So JoJo, guess what? There's some people over here where we got to pick up the trash, some tires, and they look smoked. Now we're at the last job of the day, and JoJo, how much illegal shit did we see behind this building over here?
There's all kinds of illegal dumping all around here.
But we're just picking up the couch. That's crazy, huh? Some other property managers own another spot over there, which we did jobs for them too, and they're probably gonna call us again.
Yeah, I was gonna say that property manager's not doing their job. It's horrible over there.
Yeah, it's a bunch of tires, mattresses, and just trash. So we got a couch right here. I'm gonna show you guys the job. Check it out. It's an easy pickup. So check it out. It's right here. Last job of the day. Now, JoJo, let's do a thumbnail. You ready?
Okay.
Let's do it. I think that works. So here's the couch right here. Check it out, JoJo. I'll give you $5 if you smell the cushions.
Big N-O there.
I'll do it for 20. Yeah, so here's the couch, easy pickup. And yeah, they dump stuff behind here all the time. That's Santa Rosa, that's California for you, huh?
It's bad.
Let's get it. So I told the JoJo, we'll dump this tire right here so we get paid twice for it. What do you think?
This is dirtbag.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, don't ever do that.
Yeah, don't be like that. Don't do that. Now, just like that, we're done for the day. And let's talk about some more pros and cons. And another pro is you can start this business with a little bit of money. If you have a pickup truck already and a trailer, you're good to go.
Yeah, and the con to that is you can start with what you have, but you do need to reinvest what you make so that you can grow your business.
And hopefully you guys like this video. And JoJo, how much money did we make today? $2,100 and some change. That ain't bad, JoJo.
That's great. That's more than I made at my old job all month.
So make sure you guys smash that like button, and we'll catch you on the next one.